Made it back to Sharon.
What?
Field ready. Put together, unloaded, put together, unloaded, put together, unloaded. But we're here with a new tire and a few more miles under our belt. Isn't that what those are? What are those?
Those are ratcheting binders.
Oh, ratcheting binders. Go over. You're going that way. No, you need to go that way. You're going that way. You're up against the tire right now on this.
What?
You're up against the tire right now on this side.
If it's just gonna rub it, it's okay.
Okay, well, it seems like the combine's wanting to go that way.
Combine's gotta go which way?
This way. You're really close. You're really right up against it.
What?
You're really right up against that tire. The field. So Jim's gonna get the Pete hooked up to the grain trailer. What are you doing under there? said he wants to take the skid plates off. So we'll just lift it off the header trailer, do the job, and then put it back on so we can move it on the trailer to the field. Heck of a lot easier than what it used to be. And that is a brand new header for us. Combine is a low-houred 2019. We traded it late last fall. The one we had before was on its, well, it had run 3 years, so it was time to do something. It won't stay pretty like this for very long. Job's done, so it's getting back on the header trailer so we can transport it. Did I tell you it was hot here today? If not, it's really hot. And I think it's supposed to get even more hot tomorrow. Yay. adjustments made to the header. Now it's time to see what we got here. How's it feel to be at this point?
I don't know.
Well, we've got a lot done so far.
Can't remember if I closed that stone trap or not.
To get you out.
Yep.
So is the reel set automatically to go with the speed?
No, no.
No. Well, you're rolling. By the looks of it, we should be able to go through it pretty easily.
Let's look, see what we're doing on the ground. Make sure ain't nothing running out or something. combine that's new to us.
Well, I can already feel that you're more at ease. Is this all one field?
Cut that one separate last year. Now on will be automatic, but there's two buttons on the back here, an upper and a lower clicker.
Okay.
If you need to adjust that spout, you pull the upper and then the auger button. But what it's going to do is without you doing anything, it's going to come to this position.
Which is what I'm used to.
Nothing in the truck, right?
Nope.
Why they think it has to have that spout tipped up when every time you fold it back, but it does.
had a full truck.
The spout goes down when you turn the auger on.
So you don't have to mess with it before. That's what you're saying.
I ain't got it all figured out, but it.
I'm guessing you're relying on it not weighing very much.
But I see it. It changes. It's always well. It can't mess with it now because we're virtually full. I guess I'll shut this off and just have you run me to town. So we got both trucks and the tool truck out here.
And we just take that truck together.
Well, yeah, they can do that too.
Front right tire was low this morning. Seems to be a common thing right now. Tire issues. Good to go?
For now, I don't know if
Yeah, don't, just because of the tarp. Okay. elevator to get the truck weighed empty. They take that number and divide it by 60, is that correct? That figures out how many bushels we hauled in. And then we get a ticket that shows all of the particulars. Moisture, bushels, and if there's any dockage because of foreign matter, which there probably is with all that cheatgrass. So we get this handy dandy little envelope to put our tickets in. And this ticket showed that we had almost 63-pound weight for the weight, and 9.5% for moisture, which is really dry, and 580 bushels on that truck. Now we're gonna get Petey to take out to the field as well. I'm headed to town, Medicine Lodge. I'm headed to Medicine Lodge after diesel in the pickup and something to eat. We have not had anything to eat today, really, at all. So it's time to get something to eat and keep rolling for several more hours. So that's what I'm doing. And that's what he's doing. Mexican food for supper. I'm eating mine now so that Jim can come eat his while I take over the beast. It's so nice right now. Really nice. And now the nightly clean-off happens. He'll blow off the entire combine. Does it every night, mostly just to keep the dirt off of places that could be prone to starting a fire. So day number 1 of cutting complete. Day number 4 of harvest complete. So Jim told me that I need to do this every time I do a video because that's what everybody on YouTube does. What he wants me to tell you is to be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button. It looks like a bell. Hit that bell so you know every time the videos are uploaded so you don't miss any. There, I did it, Jim. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.